Hi there, students. Scatty. Okay, scatty is an adjective. I guess you could have the adverb scattily. Okay, scatty describes a person, somebody who's absent-minded and disorganized. Yeah, I'm probably a bit scatty myself. Yeah, so my great aunt, she's a little bit scatty. Silly and often forgetting things. Yeah, his scatty behaviour. This project is so scattily organised that, well, it's not going to go very far. So, absent-minded. Yeah, I think scatty's probably short for scatterbrained. Yeah, to scatter, to throw things here and there. Okay, so scatty, slightly empty-headed, rather frivolous, thoughtless, not really concentrating on things. Yeah, maybe your mind is a little bit addled. Yeah, I don't know. This project is driving me scatty. It's just so difficult to do it. Yeah, it's just driving me a little bit crazy. So this, I think, is British slang. Yeah, it's informal British English. Somebody who's scatty, just a bit crazy. It's not absolutely mad. A scatty old gentleman. That's me. A scatty old lady. Yeah, I seem to be getting scattier in my old age. Okay, so this is the idea of scatty. If you call somebody scatty, you're saying they're distracted. Yeah, their mind is distracted, but that's why something can drive you scatty. Yeah, you forget things, you behave in a rather silly way, you're disorganized. Yeah, this is rather scatty thinking, so silly, foolish, a bit crazy, but not stark raving bonkers, just a little bit crazy. The kittens played Scattily in the kitchen, knocking things over. Yeah. Sometimes trying to make things work in internet drives me a bit scatty, drives me a little bit crazy. So scatty, formality. I think I'm probably going to give it something like 3.5 in formality. Yeah. And then clearly, as to origin, it comes from to scatter. Yeah, to scatter, to throw things here and there. Yeah, he scattered petals on the ground. And this probably comes from Proto-Indo-European scare, to cut, to split, to shatter. And it probably came from Scatterian in Old Norse. Okay, so, well, trying to learn all the phrasal verbs in English can drive you scatty. Yeah, I think the logic behind English spelling is a bit scatty as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Scatty.